In the sequence 1, 13, 2, 30, 4, 64, 9, 32, every term after the first is formed by multiplying by a and then adding b, where a and b are positive integers. What is value of a minus 2b? So to find value a minus 2b, we need to find variables a and b. So let's see what we have given. We have that a and b are positive integers. So let me write this. B must be greater than 0, and a and b are positive integers. So we know that it will be numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Next. Every term after first is formed by multiplying by a. So let's take first number from our sequence. We have 1, 13. So next number is formed by multiplying by a. We have to multiply first term by a, and then we have to add b. So we have to add b. And this is equal. The second term of our sequence is 230. So this is second term. The third, what will be? We have to take the second term, 230. We have to again multiply by a, and we need to add b. And this is equal, the third term is 464. We have two unknowns and we got two equations. So now we have to solve these two equations. How we will do this? We can use subtraction addition method. So first I will multiply our second equation by -1, both sides. So let me copy first equation. We have 1, 13a plus b equals 230. And the second, like I said, we will multiply both sides by -1. So now every expression on the left side we need to multiply by -1. Let me put this in brackets. So we have -1 times 238, so will be -230a. -1 times b will be -b, and this is equal. -1 times 464 is -464. Now we will add both sides. So we have 113a plus negative we have, so will be -230a. We see that b and -b we can reduce. B plus -b will be 0. And we have that this is equal to 230 minus 464. 113a minus 230a is -117a. How we do this? When we have one positive and one negative number, the sign will be of number which is greater. 230 is greater, so we have negative sign. And now we have to just subtract 230 minus 113. And we copy a always. So this is equal, and we have 230 minus 464. Again, the larger number is negative, so we copy negative sign. And now 464 minus 230. So this is equal to 34. And now we need to find a, and we have multiplication on the left side, so we will divide both sides by -117. And we see now that we can reduce 117. Negative and negative will cancel, and we have a is equal negative over negative. So again, the negative sign will cancel, and 234 divided by 117 is 2. So we found variable a. Now we have to find b. So we copy one of our equations. Let's choose the first equation. We have 1, 13a plus b. This is equal to 30. A we can substitute by 2. So we have 113 times 2 plus b. This is equal to 30. And now 113 times 2 is 226 plus b. This is equal to 30. We need to find variable b. So we will move 226 to the right side. So b is equal to 30 we copy, and when we move positive number to the other side, so now will be negative 226. So b is equal 4. We found a and b, so now we go to our expression which we have to find the value. We have to find value of a minus 2b. So let me copy this. A minus 2b, this is equal. Now we will substitute a by 2. So we have 2 minus 2 times b is 4. So this is equal. First we have to do multiplication. So we copy 2, negative sign. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 minus 8, again we copy the sign of the larger number, so it's negative because we have negative 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6. This is my solution.